Hi everybody, today we're going to learn about drawing a floor plan. And a floor plan is looking straight down into a house as if you'd removed the roof, and you can see all of the different rooms in it. Sort of like a maze. So what we would do here is, I already created a rectangle. My house is simple. And I'm going to create some bedrooms. These are going to be relatively narrow because my rectangle is very long and narrow, and closet space. And then here will be like living quarters or the living area. So it's a simple 2-bedroom house with a shared bathroom. There won't be a master bathroom, which usually has its own bathroom. So here in the middle, we'll create a restroom. And then a bathtub. A toilet and a small sink. So I do think I might have space for 2 sinks now that my rectangle is pretty long. So we'll have 1 sink here, 1 sink here, and our faucets. The door will be right here, and it will swing in that way, away from the sinks, because that would be really awkward if we had it opening toward the sink. We're going to pop these out a tiny bit. We'll have some long, narrow bedrooms. Add our closet space here and our bedroom door here. And it swings open towards the bathroom wall. And then the style of doors we'll have here are the cat ear style for the closets. So, and of course, when you're doing this for reals, you can use graph paper and a ruler and all kinds of good stuff. You even have these really cool scaled rulers that have the ratios on them so that you can use the right proportions. This is a window. And then I'll have another nice long window here. And that's good. We don't need to put the furniture. Okay, take this across here. So we're making even spaces. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can have a circular house. You can have odd shapes for your walls. Really up to you. So this door will open this way and swing closed that way. So of course it's not even, so I need to move my closet more, otherwise it won't line up. Oops, sorry guys. And then accordion style doors, because there's just not a lot of space. You can also have slider doors that could slide open and closed if you prefer that. These ones are tricky because you pinch fingers. Window here and here. And then you want to label if you can, if you have space. And then if you want, you could put restroom. I just put RR. Okay, so here is our main living area. And this could be our front entrance. So here's the door swinging this way. towards the closet. And then here's the walkway out if you want. A nice window. Over here, perhaps we have a sliding glass door to the back patio. Oops, it's not even. And this would slide that way. And perhaps right here I have my dining area. My table and chairs. And a living room. And since this is a pretty small house, we can always utilize our corner. So we could have our, like a nice set of shelving here, a little window here, and then maybe the couches at an angle. Oops. And over here we have the kitchen. We have countertops. Perhaps we have the stove right here, or the sink. So if we put the sink here, this is our backyard. When we're doing dishes, then we can look out. So I'm going to put the sink here. Ugh, it's a little bit too big for our little house. We don't need that much space for a sink. We want some space though for drying. And oven. And then I think I'll put the refrigerator here because it looks like I have a lot of room in this part. And then an island could be helpful because this is a small house, and so it could give us a little bit more space. And then we just have to label it. So this would be dining room, kitchen, living room, entry. Let's see. We do need a little bit of, we need to create a little space here. So I'm going to create some space right here. We don't want our oven on the edge. We want some space, right? And we will add, perhaps let's switch this. So I have a window here. And you can see how you can problem solve as you go first. And if you have a really specific idea for what you want to do, go for it. And the best thing to do is have your, if you're doing everything, have your site plan, floor plan, elevations all match. But if you're just doing this for practice and fun, then just go for it and just practice each one the best you can. So we have a door opening this way towards this cabinetry, opening like that, and then there'll be a walkway over towards the garage. Okay, so here is our simple floor plan looking straight down into a house. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing what your imaginations have to offer on your own dream houses. Thanks for drawing with me today. Bye.